Hey folks, Steve with TacMed TV here. Just a little quick thing. Over the weekend we hit 10,000 views. Thank you all very much. This is all because of you guys. I can't thank you all enough. I know it doesn't seem like a whole lot, but to me this is a big deal, and I want to thank you guys for it. All the subscribers, all of you, I appreciate it. Everybody that comes by and watches my videos, I really appreciate it. It just kind of blows my mind that there's been 10,000 plus views of what I do on this channel. So thank you very much. And with that being said, keep the comments coming in. I enjoyed doing that viewers comments video. I want to do more of those. I want us to interact more. Alright, this is what this whole little community is about that we're doing here, okay? We're sitting here talking and sharing information. So keep them coming, and until next time, I'll have another one. I've got something coming up on the SWAT tee I think you guys are going to enjoy. So anyway, y'all take care. Thank you very much again for 10,000 total views. Next milestone, let's make it to 1,000 subscribers. Can't do it without you guys, okay? As with everything with this channel, can't do it without you guys. If you all aren't there, then the channel's not here. So you guys take care. My name is Steve with TacMed TV, telling you guys to stay safe.